Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're giving you a tour of the May Pen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000, and this is after the tropical storm has passed. So as you can see, there is literally no damage. This road was opened a few weeks ago and I don't really have any trees or anything close to the road. So other than the road being wet, nothing significant has happened to this road. We're going to exit at the May Pen Interchange and drive into May Pen. But we're giving you a tour of the road. Now this road doesn't have lights. Most of the toll roads don't have, all the toll roads in Jamaica don't have lights. Street lights, that is. They have reflectors, but those work well at night. When you get to the toll plazas, then you have lights there. And a very good thing is that the water doesn't seem to settle on the road, which is very good. This road has good drainage. It was built by China Harbour Engineering Company. They definitely know how to build these highways. So this road takes you from May Pen to Mandeville. It's a toll road, but they're not charging toll on it now. It's free until January of this year. And there you can see Highway Patrol. That's the van in front of us. They monitor the road, and I must say they do a good job. In case you have any incident on the road, flat tire, car shut off, they're there to assist. So we're heading from the toll gate toll plaza towards the May Pen interchange. So basically heading from Mandeville towards May Pen. Now Jamaica got pounded by some heavy rains. It was a tropical depression. I mean, so many roads were blocked, impassable, but none of the highways sustained any damage. And I don't think that any of the highways were closed at any time during the passage of the storm. I mean, the Bogwa Gorge, without a doubt, that was closed. Even the day before the main system passed over us, the tropical depression. But that gorge is right by we're exiting by May Pen, the May Pen interchange now. That gorge runs right along the Rio Coburn River. And one of the reasons for building the highway is because when it rains, that gorge is impassable. So that doesn't surprise anybody. But the highways work fine. There was no reported damage on any of the highways. And I don't think they were ever closed during the passage of the depression. All right, so this is now, where are we? Where are we? Now you see that car? Now this road doesn't have, I mean, a lot of people have indicated, but you saw the car going up. I mean, there is water here, but nothing significant. The car was going up onto the highway. And I don't know if they changed their mind or they got lost, but they just reversed down the ramp. Now that is so unsafe. They just reversed down the ramp. Anyway, it worked out for the best. Nobody was hurt, but that's very dangerous. Now, I don't know if they got lost because of the signage or they just changed their mind. I don't know. So we're now going on to the May Pen bypass. We're off the highway now. This is the main road. And we're going to go into May Pen. But so far, as we said, no highways were closed. No highways were closed. The toll roads especially were not closed. And they're fine. There's no damage on them. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. We are now going to go on to Glenmuir Road, which takes us into the town center of May Pen, which is the capital of Clarendon. So we're now going on to Glenmuir Road. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about how well the highways held up and the toll roads with all this rain, and so many of the local roads were damaged. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. You can enjoy the rest of the tour as we drive towards the town center of May Pen. This is Glenmuir Road. Alright guys, have a good day.